In this video, I will show you how to get hosting and a domain for your website at Hostinger. I will also explain why you need hosting for a website in the first place. This video is the second lesson in my tutorial series on how to make a website for beginners. So why do you need to buy a hosting service? Think of a web hosting service as the physical space, or the land, where your website's files live. Your domain name is the address, so anyone in the world can visit your site at any time. You can host a website on your PC, but it is not recommended because your site would go offline whenever your computer sleeps or loses its internet connection. Also, home hardware is not designed for constant traffic, which can lead to slow speeds and serious security risks for your personal data. There are many web hosting services available, but I found Hostinger to be the best web hosting service. It gives extra value to a low-budget plan, and it is very beginner-friendly, especially if you're using WordPress. To buy hosting from Hostinger, click the link in the description or in the first comment. Go to Plans and Pricing, where you will find all Hostinger plans at first. For a beginner, I think the premium plan is the better option. You can pay monthly, but I recommend at least a 12-month plan because your website will take a few months to attract traffic and you get better discounts on yearly plans. I went with a 2-year plan and pressed Continue. It will ask for payment details, pay, and you will be taken to the welcome page. Click Get Started. This will open the Hostinger panel or the H panel. This is where you manage all of Hostinger's services. You get a free domain, which means a web address of your choice with every hosting plan for 1 year. Of course, if it is available. To claim your free domain name, click here. To check availability, type the name you want for your website and then choose the extension. For example, I chose the name Software Help and the extension .info. Fortunately, it is available, so I will claim it and make it mine. You will be asked to use the domain and then click Continue. It is giving us 2 options, a website builder and an AI website generator for creating a website, but we will not use either one. We will skip this step and go back to the H panel, because we want to create a website with WordPress in our next lesson. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Take care and bye.